Join me as I challenge myself to explore the stunning sights of Corfu, Greece from above. Can I capture the best views and share them with you? In this video, you'll be taken on a breathtaking aerial journey over Corfu, Greece, showcasing its natural beauty and rich history. Many travelers overlook Corfu in favor of more popular Greek islands, but this hidden gem has much to offer that deserves attention. Corfu's unique blend of rich history, stunning landscapes, and vibrant culture make it an ideal destination for those seeking a more authentic Greek experience. From ancient ruins to picturesque villages, Corfu is a treasure trove of exploration waiting to be uncovered. The island's storied past has left an indelible mark on its architecture, food, and traditions, making it a fascinating destination for history buffs and culture enthusiasts alike. And yet, despite its many charms, Corfu remains underrated, flying under the radar of most travelers. Explore iconic landmarks, picturesque beaches, and charming villages as you fly over the island, highlighting its unique features and attractions. As we soar over the island, the landscape unfolds like a canvas of contrasts. From the rugged, mountainous terrain to the sparkling turquoise waters of its idyllic beaches. We'll take a bird's-eye view of the Old Town, a UNESCO World Heritage Site, with its narrow cobblestone streets and colorful Venetian-era architecture. We'll also visit the famous Mouse Island, a tiny islet steeped in myth and legend, and the picturesque village of Paleokastritsa, nestled in the heart of a verdant valley. As we delve deeper into the heart of the island, we'll discover secluded coves, hidden monasteries, and ancient ruins, each one revealing a piece of Corfu's rich tapestry of history and culture. From the imposing 14th century Angelo Castro Castle to the serene, whitewashed houses of Corfu town, every view is a testament to the island's enduring beauty. We'll explore the island's dramatic coastline, where towering cliffs plunge into the sea and its lush forests, teeming with life and color. Reach the peak of the journey with a stunning view over the famous Paleokastritsa Bay, revealing the turquoise waters and dramatic cliffs. As we reach the pinnacle of our aerial journey, the breathtaking vista of Paleokastritsa Bay unfolds before us, a sight that's simply awe-inspiring. The crystal-clear waters glow with an otherworldly intensity, while the sheer cliffs rise up like giants from the sea, their rugged, weathered faces a testament to the island's elemental power. It's a moment that will leave you breathless, and one that will stay with you long after our journey is over. The beauty of Paleokastritsa Bay is more than just a visual feast. It's a testament to the timeless allure of Corfu, an island that has captivated travelers for centuries. As we take in the stunning view, it's hard not to be struck by the sense of history and culture that permeates every aspect of this enchanting island. From its iconic landmarks to its hidden corners, Corfu is a destination that will capture your heart and leave you yearning for more. Summarize the highlights of Corfu's beauty and culture, emphasizing why it should be on every traveler's bucket list. Corfu is an island that will surprise and delight you at every turn. Its stunning landscapes, rich history, and vibrant culture make it an unforgettable destination for any traveler. Encourage viewers to share their favorite spots in Corfu in the comments and check out your other travel videos for more stunning destinations. If you've been lucky enough to visit Corfu, share your favorite memories and hidden gems in the comments below. And if you haven't, I hope this video has inspired you to add it to your bucket list. Don't forget to check out my other travel videos for more stunning destinations and inspiration for your next adventure. Thanks for joining me on this aerial journey over Corfu. Until next time, stay curious and keep exploring.